Okay, so this is Connor's speed stack mat that he got from Nana. Okay, and he puts his hands down and it's like a timer. And whenever he's ready, he's going to show you. How many seconds?
The time was 23 seconds and 30 hundredths.
And what's your best so far?
My best so far is 19 seconds and 97 milliseconds.
How many seconds is your best? 19 or 20?
19 seconds.
Yeah, very good. You like that? You like that?
Yes.
Cool. Okay, say bye.
Bye, Nana. Merry Christmas.
And where's Skylar? Skylar is playing with her DSi. Skylar's yelling at her DSi. Sky, look up real quick. Look up.